Top 10 Car Wash in Vancouver. 1. AutoFlow Car Wash and Detailing, 535 reviews, 1020B, SW Marine Drive. 2. Revup Car Wash, 529 reviews, Seymour St. 3. Revup Car Wash, 58 reviews, East 8th Avenue No. 208. 4. Revup Car Wash, 57 reviews, Robson St No. 808. 5. Clark Drive Car Wash and Detailing Services, Car Interior Cleaning and Exterior Cleaning Services in Vancouver, 4.9 111 reviews, Clark Dr. 6. Express Auto Wash Boundary, 4.7 1621 reviews, East 4th Avenue. 7. Shine Auto Wash Burnaby, 4.2 1637 reviews, Gilley Avenue. 8. Fraser Car Wash and Auto Detailing, 4.2 150 reviews, East 45th Avenue. 9. Car King Car Wash, 4.1 165 reviews, Powell St. 10. Royal Oak Self-Service Car Wash, 4 1093 reviews, Royal Oak Avenue.